Hello guys, welcome to another video of Sinhala Academy. In this video, let's talk about Google Trends. So as we know, I think you have heard about this Google Trends tool. Um, this tool is one of the best tool to identify the current ongoing trends in the world. Even you can check the trends in countries. Let's talk about that later in this video. Before that, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we have reached 1,000 subscribers within a so little few days, and I'm thank you very much guys for supporting me with this journey. So let's dive into this Google Trends video. So as you can see, the domain is trends.google.com. So as you can see, explore what the world is searching. So in this Google Trends, they are giving us the informations of what do people search in Google in the past 28 days, past 7 days, past year. So actually you can check the trends in the world. As you can see, these are one of the best keywords that best searches in the US. Taylor Swift, Kim Kardashians, and in the world in past 7 days, the World Cup. That means this is the cricket World Cup. As we all know, T20 World Cup is ongoing in these days, so it's one of the most searched keyword in Google. So this is also one of the trending keyword in United States. It's football, American football, like that thing. And also this is some of the trending things, recent trending global results. So in Italy, this keyword is trending. In Colombia, this is trending. In Norway, Isabella Ringerns is trending. In Turkey, and as you can see, so many results, and I think you guys will get the value of this keyword. So here let's take a look at the some keyword test. Let's go for make money online thing, right? Okay, so actually I have to change my country to worldwide. In this is past 12 months, so let's change this to past 30 days, because that will help us to check the correct insights. That will help us to check the latest insights. So as you can see, make money online, this keyword, worldwide, past 30 days, all categories, web searches, right? We are talking about here is web search. You can also filter image searches and the newsfeed searches and Google shopping searches, and also you can check YouTube searches. So if you are doing a YouTube channel, this tool will be valuable for you also so much. So as you can see, this make money online keyword is most popular by in Nigeria, Uganda, Ghana, Papua New Guinea, Botswana. So as you can see, I think that you can understand the value of these details. So when you can identify the people who are searching the exact thing what you are selling, it will be real easy for you to market your product. So if you are doing an e-money course, if you are selling an e-money course, you just have to target these countries in mainly you have to target these countries: Ethiopia, Kenya, Jamaica, Cameroon, Albania, South Africa, Lebanon, Somalia, Libya, Sri Lanka, Ireland, New Zealand, US, UK, Romania, Georgia, Cambodia, Qatar. So actually, as you can see, you can also see all these channel list, and also you can check related queries. So this is, I think this is one of the most valuable thing you can get if you are doing keyword researchers. This section will be so much valuable for you. So that's all I have to say in today's videos, guys. So if you are new to Google Trends, and do some of your own researches and test this tool, I think this tool will help you to do so many things in with your business, and it will help you to grow your business really easily. So guys, I'm going to stop from here. I'll catch you in my next video.